Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Soundcore Sleep A10 earbuds that were sent over to me by Soundcore themselves. So inside the box you get the earbuds, a bunch of ear tips, and ear wings as well. And also you get the wire and the manual to set everything up. Now these earbuds come in only one color, which is white, and they go for $179.99. With that out of the way, let's get into how they actually function and whether or not they're even worth your money. So these are basically for sleeping, of course, and that is exactly what I attempted to do with these earbuds. It did have a bunch of software features inside the app to produce white noise or rain and stuff like that, and you can also track your sleep, and there's also a bunch of systems to basically block out most noise. And for me personally, since I like silence when I sleep, it worked out pretty well. I don't think it's anything that's a necessity, but it was very nice to have once I had it. Now they boast their 4-point noise masking system that basically blocks out up to 35 decibels of noise. A lot of the noise that I was hearing in my apartment was absolutely gone, and for that part I think these earbuds do a great job. So when it comes to sleep aspect of things, they are quite comfortable, and they do feel well in your ears even if you're sleeping on your sides. One thing I forgot to mention is that the earbuds do not contain microphones, so you cannot take or receive calls through these earbuds. Now they still use drivers, and they still can feel uncomfortable over time for people that have sensitive ears, because they aren't like the AirPods Pro where the driver isn't going inside your ear. I wish they would have went for something like that, because I know drivers still hurt people's ears and can make them sore if they wear them for too long, especially if you fall asleep with them in your ears. But they are quite small and very lightweight, so maybe that does counteract with that point. When it comes to battery life, they provide up to 10 hours of playback time and an additional 40 hours with the charging case. And with my testing, this is pretty accurate considering it lasted me a whole nighttime, which was about 8 hours of sleep. Now when it comes to the sound quality, because you can listen to music with these things, I don't really recommend you do that. I know the price is pretty expensive, but at the same time they don't sound that good. I do like the fact that the volume won't go super loud with these earbuds, and then when you put it to the sleep mode of these earbuds, because it has the music mode and the sleep mode in the software, the max loudness you can have in the sleep mode is even quieter. Now whether or not that's a good thing, because I know some people struggle to wake up to their alarms in the morning, maybe this will help because it's actually inside your ears and you don't want to get a jump scare every single time you wake up. But when it comes to the sound quality, it sounds very thin. The bass is pretty heavy for some reason, and the vocals and stuff like that just don't sound that good. You can do EQ, and I found that the preset EQ for acoustics that they have on their app made the earbuds sound actually listenable. So if you were going to use these for music, I'd recommend using that one. Overall, I think they're pretty decent. I don't think they're the greatest thing Soundcore has made in the past, and I do think the price is still steep for what you get. Now they did help me sleep better, and they may help you sleep better as well, but I'm not too sure that's worth the asking price of $179.99. I know that's still cheaper than the Bose earbuds that go for $249.99. but I still think these should be around the $150 or even cheaper price point. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about these earbuds in the comments down below. I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below. But right now until October 18th, you do get 20% off. And if you do buy them, you also get a sleep mask. So that is pretty cool. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.